Ambience Cutter is a dedicated tool for editing ambiences and backgrounds in Pro Tools. It allows you to analyze a portion of the timeline on a reference track and then automatically cut, move, and apply fades to your selected clips. The tool is completely format independent. Your reference track can be mono or multi-channel, and the same goes for the tracks you are editing. It features 4 operating modes. First, clone fades. This mode cuts and moves the clips, then applies the exact same fades from your reference selection. Second and third, +1 frame and +2 frames. This mode aligns the clips by adding 1 or 2 extra frames on each side of every cut in the reference selection, and automatically creates the fades. The frame duration is detected automatically. Fourth, marker mode. This mode simply snaps and aligns your pre-cut clips directly to the markers. Finally, if no specific mode is selected, the plugin will simply move the clips and replicate the edits without generating new fades or copying the ones from the reference track.